Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how you can use SDK Magic Tool to prepare and export the notebook topics from Excel to Primavera. This will be the video number 28 in this group of videos, and we will use SQLite database in this video. You can also use Oracle database or SQL Server when you select any of them. From the main menu, select Dictionary, and from the Import menu, search for the notebook topics, and let us import the current notebook topics in this database. As you see, we have these notebook topics in the database. We have about 30 notebook topics in this database. Let us go to Primavera to check these results. From admin, open admin categories and then notebook topics. As you see, we have the same results in Primavera. In order to learn how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to update these notebook topics, first let us copy these items, and then we will remove all of these notebook topics to learn how you can delete all of these items. All we need is to change this N to Y and generalize this Y. Export these items from the export menu, search for the notebook topics and export these updates. Now we have these updates in Primavera. It's very fast when you use the SDK Magic Tool. Let us import these updates. As you see, we have now no notebook topics in the database, but we have the table format that we should fill in to export these notebook topics to Primavera. Let us go to Primavera to check these updates. From File, open Refresh Data first, and then from Admin, Admin Categories, and then open the Notebook Topics. As you see, we have no notebook topics in this database after we have deleted all of these items in Excel. Let us go again to Excel, and we will prepare these notebook topics and export them again to Primavera. We can copy them from this table, okay, and paste them here. As you see, we should remove all of these numbers because these numbers will be set by the SDK Magic Tool, and all of these notebook topics will be considered as new items in the database. In this column, you can fill in the numbers that Primavera will use for the display order of these items. Let us change this number. This will be number 1, and then this will be the order. This will be number 1 in Primavera, and this will be number 2, and so on. Let us export these updates to Primavera. From the export menu, select notebook topics. Now we have these items in Primavera. Let us import these notebook topics again. As you see, all of these numbers have been set in the database by the SDK Magic Tool, and when we go to Primavera, let us refresh data first, and then from admin categories, open notebook topics. We have now all of these notebook topics again in Primavera, the same notebook topics that we have exported from Excel. You can later change any of these items and export the updates to Primavera. For example, let us add SDK Magic Tool with yes in all fields, and this will be number 31. Let us export these updates. Now we have these updates in Primavera. Import the updates. Now we have the SDK Magic Tool as new item in the notebook topics. Let us go to Primavera, refresh data to get these updates, and admin categories, open the notebook topics. Now we have this new item, SDK Magic Tool in Primavera, with yes in all of these four fields. That was how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare and export the notebook topics from Excel to Primavera. As you see, it's very fast and very accurate, and also it's very flexible when you use the SDK Magic Tool to export Primavera items from Excel to the database. Thank you and goodbye.